Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this hexagon tiling effect in Unreal Engine material. So let's start this. So I have this empty folder called Hexa, and I will create a material here, Hexagon. And from starting I need some texture, but I will not use actually texture sample, but I need something that so I can make the hexagon of. So I need the UVs. So if I preview this looks like this, and you'll notice this R and G starting from this left corner, left upper corner, and I want this starts from center. So this is 0 to 1. So if I subtract zero point 0.5 from R or G, it will be here and G will be here and this center will be here. So if I subtract 0.5, you will notice the center is in here. And now if I absolute, if I get the absolute